Smart Spark Kids. Have you ever wondered, why do we dream? Why do we see flying cats, talking dinosaurs, or super weird adventures when we sleep? Today, we're going to explore the magical world of dreams. Dreams are stories and images our brain creates while we sleep. Even though our body is resting, our brain is super active. It's like your brain is watching its own movie. Dreams help your brain organize memories, like cleaning your room. Things you learn during the day get sorted and saved. Sometimes dreams help solve problems. Ever had an idea after waking up? That's your brain working overnight. Dreams also show our emotions. Happy, scared, or excited. Have you ever woken up and thought, that felt so real? That's because your brain turns off the logic checker while dreaming. So even the weirdest things feel totally normal. Here are some awesome dream facts. You dream every night, even if you don't remember it. Dreams can last up to 20 minutes. Animals dream too. Some people can control their dreams. That's called lucid dreaming. So next time you go to sleep, remember, your brain is about to go on an amazing adventure. What's the coolest dream you've ever had? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious with Smart Spark Kids.